I think we started. Okay, this is the cybersecurity presentation by myself, Jason Stone, for um, Azusa Pacific University, spring 2020, and TEP 548. So the word cybersecurity, it says a lot about what it means. It's not sharing our information online, it's protecting ourselves from scams and viruses, malware, phishing, you name it. It's a kind of a jungle out there on the internet. People aren't aware of just how dangerous it can be and what lurks out there. So cybersecurity is vital, and as teachers, we need to make sure that that applies to us and our students. All right, so there's all sorts of online threats. Here, I'll zoom in. All right, there's Trojan horses. So it's like that old story about the Trojan horse and all the soldiers came out and took over in Sparta, where there's different types of malware that enters. So they might try to trick you into downloading an exe file or something of that sort, and all sorts of viruses come out. So watch out for those. Data breaches, which Trojan horse is a type of data breach, and release of confidential information. So don't ever give your social, personal information online unless it's like your bank's website. Even then, it can be breached. I mean, there's no website that's perfectly airtight. Anything can be reached. And we'll go over data breaches later because there's one in particular that caused our government to change its whole systems because of a huge data breach. And Yahoo had a data breach years ago. There's a lawsuit over that. They sent me some forms. It's a class action lawsuit. Okay, there's all sorts of different types of malware. Credit card fraud's a big one. So a lot of companies want you to sign up for making regular payments, and then they just keep on draining your card. And anytime you use a public computer, those computers save every keystroke. So if somebody goes into the system, they can find out what numbers you're typing in, your credit card number, if you shop online. So don't use your public computers for any sort of shopping, and remember, it'll memorize your passwords because it saves the keystrokes. A worm. So it's similar to a Trojan horse. It replicates itself. It's kind of virus. It's bad. Phishing. Illegal attempt to gather personal info. So there's deceptive emails and websites. They might want you to send money for some charitable cause. There's false charities out there that want your money. So watch out for that. I had to learn this stuff in the Navy. I held a top secret security clearance, and we did this cybersecurity training over and over. So we had top secret information, stuff that we knew stuff before it hit the news. Brutal force attack, they can find out your password. So make sure it's a strong password. It doesn't have actual words in it or your name or your birthday in it or something like that. Oh no, this recording program is going to stop automatically in 30 seconds. Ah. Okay, there's botnets. Goes along with email malware. They're kind of along the same lines. So logic bomb, those are some of those exe programs. Don't download an exe. They're bad.